Good morning to all of you. Hi, this is Prince. Today we are going to do debate on the topic village is better or city is better. And my team is supporting village and my opponent is my team is supporting village and my opponent team is supporting city. So today's topic is transportation. So I would like to start from that. If we talk about the transportation in the city side or village side, so we can easily found that village side transportation is too much easy as comparison to city side, and it's also low costly because we have seen that there's a lots of space in city side, in village side. For example, suppose that we have to pass a truck. If there's a very big laundry is coming, or very big means any type of material are coming, so we mostly need some big space, and that big space is clearly available in village side. So transportation is totally easy for the village side. And if we talk about the city side, so here transportation is very low, very high budget and very constructed, because we have seen there's a no much space for a truck passing, because we have seen in a clearly board that where is clearly written that bhari वाहनों का प्रवेश निषेध. So that is the difference between transportation. So it's a proof that village transportation is as much costly and good as comparison to city. That's all.
Okay, so that's a good point. Our point is about transportation. Mr. Pnisa said something about the transportation of village areas. I hope you got this topic and got this point. Who wants to counter this point? Anybody? Yes, do you want? Tell something about how your transportation is good.
Good morning everyone. I am Supriya. Today topic is village side better is and city side better. And my opinion is city side better because of city side many types of transport system like buses, autos, taxi, and it's make our life easy. Suppose that we can go office and we have not many time, so we have many types of transport system and we go in fast. That's all.
Do you complete or not?
Yes.
Okay. Any other one wants to add something more? Yes.
Good morning to all of you. I am Punesh. I am favor of city life. Cities provide of lots of facilities like transport system. In this time, we have many transport system like car, buses, metros, aeroplane are available, and that side village sides not any transport system level, only cycle, and I can't explain in 1 to 3 vehicles. But in case of cities like car, buses, Ola, Rapido, Quick, and you go there anytime. At 24/7 you will go to your house at least 2 am, and many vehicles are available at junction. Suppose that you have go to your village side like your just not junction, it's platform like halt, and you go there and you do nothing and you sleep there only a station. That is the main reason of cities life better transport system.
Okay, Puneet just said that in city side, the people have a good transportations. Like they have car, they have vehicles, they have bus, they have train, and metro as well. Even airport they have. But the people who belong to the village side area, they have only बैलगाड़ी, they have only cycle, they have only bullet kabhi kabhi. Some people have bullet. Okay, so such type of vehicles they have. But emergency services, they are not going to complete. Like if we said, if you want to come to the Chapra, like not only Chapra, if you go to the city side areas, and at any time, not about it's a 12 p.m., it's a 9 p.m., it's a 1 p.m., doesn't mean that. Every time the vehicles are available, right? And there are a lot of things like Olas, Uber, and many companies that are providing such type of things, okay? That is the reason the transportation is good in city side area. Okay, anybody want to counter again?
Good morning, sir, and good morning, our dear panelists. Uh, Today, I am speaking favor of village life,
Okay.
and Mr.
As my friend say.
As my as saying my friends, lots of uh, facilities, vehicles, and then traffic in traffic jam, in trivial traffic jam. Vehicle get stuck on hours on road for hours.
Yes, you are talking about the vehicles, your facilities. What about the traffic?
Traffic.
What about the jam?
If you are rich and you have a luxurious car, you go on the road and you stuck on traffic.
Traffic, okay.
You waste of your precious time of your life doing nothing on the road, Yeah.
Okay, बहुत बढ़िया. Clapping के लिए
Point.
You want to add something? Please.
Good morning to all of you. I am Ayush, favor of village life. My friend said that village people transport system is Belgadi and Tom Tom. Tom Tom and Belgadi, no polluted environment.
Yes, Tamtam and bad guys are not making pollution. बहुत बढ़िया.
And cities people transport system is car and trucks and buses and
They are making more
and
pollution.
polluted in the environment,
Yes.
and cities people use in the electric e-rickshaw and electric bikes and
They use
electric
electric
cars
bikes.
and CNG autos use in the transport system.
बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ, ठीक है.
That's all about. Thank you.
बहुत बढ़िया. तुम तो बढ़िया आदमी हो. एक और कोई जो ऐड करना चाहे बस. हाँ, ये ऐड करना. Mic लीजिए.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Tulsidas, and today I am supporting village transportation. And my friend said that in city side available metro, but I say that everywhere you go and metro, then you everywhere very crowded. Then many person go there and छूटना का क्या होता है leave the metro, then he go on footpath and many time waits, and he said available Ola, Uber, and if you know when our app off, your phone off, then what you do?
What will you do? When our application will get off, so what will you do?
You
Will you use Ola or Uber on your phone?
then you go on foot for long distance,
Definitely.
and that's all.
बहुत बढ़िया. Yes, you want to counter. No, 3% maximum.
My-
You got many points now?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Got it.
As my friend said that traffic rules in the traffic jams, you are saying that, but you are saying very wrong. Do you have not any ideas what is traffic? In this time, traffic system is lots of facilities, not jam, like rule and regulation.
Yes. We
And-
have traffic rules. We have traffic lights. We have traffic police. as well.
Yes, I am very punctual and very
Loyal.
very loyal for our
Duty.
duty, and I have time to go to our office like jobs, and my friend said that suppose that media connection to like Uber, Ola, Rapido are not work,
Not walking.
but I have lots of facilities, lots of e-rickshaw, we have many options to go there long distance anytime, but in village I have no any ideas. I am go to village sites, but no any vehicles. I am waiting for 2 hours, 3 hours.
Even the road condition of village, it's totally broken.
Yes.
Yes.
And my friend said that pollution, but in this time government and cities people facilities like CNG bus, CNG car, electric vehicle, petrols are banned, and that's all.
चलिए कोई बात नहीं बहुत अच्छा another one wants to add something more yes please the point is transportation okay
Good morning. My friends say villagers are travels with Belgari and Tum Tum, and they are not polluted.
they are not going to pollute the environment
Okay,
yes
but what about in emergency condition?
okay
You have no any option. If you depended only on Tum Tums and Belgari, like no, in emergency condition, you have no any option. What about your thought?
you want to go 100 kilometers what do you want
Yeah, in any emergency
Will you
condition.
reach? You will reach after 3 days
In any medical emergency,
if you got any medical emergency so what would you would you like to go with Tum Tum would you like to go with Belgari would you like to go with e-rickshaw
Yes, sir.
Clapping करने के लिए yes please
My friend said that Belgari and Tum Tum is not polluted environment, but we have many options. But what you do after your animal in die? What you do in emergency cases? Suppose that you have go anywhere and your animal is injured. What you do in this time? We have many options.
Definitely, they have to wait.
My friend said that no network connection. We
If no network connection, if your mobile is not working, if application
what
is
I
not
am
working,
doing because
how can you use
we
mobile
have
network?
we have many options.
We have many options here.
But what you do?
what you will do?
Thank you.
Not right. ठीक है. So as Godpali said, कि it's like you said कि we have Tum Tum, we have Belgari, it's like bull cart. Okay, we have cycles, we have CNG vehicles are there, so we will travel on there. Okay, but what about the emergency? If somebody got emergency, so what will you do? Will you not think कि Belgari or Tum Tum they are taking too much time for destination? अगर मुझे 100 किलोमीटर जाना होगा तब तो 3-4 दिन लग जाएगा वहाँ पे जाने में बारात जाने का पता चला कि 3 दिन पहले निकलना पड़ेगा ओके सो दैट आर थिंग्स एंड वन अनदर थिंग लाइक कवि क्या नाम है कौन कवि तुलसीदास said that कि if application like you said about the Uber and Olas if they are not working so what will you do so they have more options they have buses they have trains they have local vehicles they have their own cars they will travel but what about you guys if your animal got injured if your cycle is not working so what will you do anybody want to answer yes please
Sorry, but I wanna say that we are talking about the transportation. We are not talking about the traveling. So Uber and Ola, they are called under the traveling. If you want to travel,
oh my god transportation is not common
sir, yeah, exactly, sir.
please
I will explain. According to me, I think traveling is another thing and transportation is another thing. Suppose that if I have to transportation means I have to transport something. Means I am going from here to anywhere. That is called under the traveling and that is not included in the transportation. And just like my friend said about the traffic rules, we all guys know that everywhere in whole world traffic rules are available. What about the people? They follow the traffic rules?
no they are not following
They follow the traffic rules?
only for writing
And the second things you said about the loyal police officer, loyal traffic officer. So tell me one thing that why the 43% traffic police officer is fired in your 2022?
why
Tell me one thing why they are loyal?
they are loyal they are honest
No. Listen, miss, we just have not to say. We have to prove that. And also, my friend said about the electric cars. So I want to tell you that currently in India, people are buying electric car it is not mean that they are loving environment, because the cost of petrol is high. That's the reason they are buying the electric car. If again the petrol price is going to be a drop, they will be again go to be buy a diesel or petrol cars. And the one thing I want to say is that buying an electric car is a type of toy, because car means that you have to running from the diesels or petrol. And also my friend talks about the emergency condition. So tell me one thing, that what is the emergency condition in the transport? Doesn't matter, sir. Both are said. So I want to say that means what is the meaning of emergency condition? Means we have to transport something. So if you will be see any house, if I have to transport any big thing, so we have to prepare from 2 or 3 days before the day we have to transport. So exactly this.
Talking about the health condition, medical emergency.
So exactly, medical emergency is another thing. You said that we have to talk about the transportation. So in the transportation, where the medical conditions are happen? No, sir. We
Medical emergency. Transportation means किसी भी चीज को यहाँ से यहाँ पे लेके जाना.
Yes, exactly. So okay.
Why the bus system called public transport? Why they are calling public transport? क्योंकि वो public को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे लेके जाता है. That is the reason it's called public transport. Okay,
sir.
So if emergency condition is like a medical condition, so what will you do?
Okay, so I want to say, I think
road
in the starting of, before 2 days, I said that we are living in the 21st century. Just like you talk about the bull carts and cycles, so we also have a tractor, buses, trucks. They are available in our nowadays village. And also I want to say about, you were talking about the.
I will start by 10 chakka and 12 chakka.
Yes, exactly, sir. And also I want to say that you know about the station. Why the stations are making in the side of village side? Why not the many stations are available in the city side? Because there's no much space. Tell me one thing, that if you have to transport anything, suppose that I have to transport so what is the English meaning of bhusa? Bhusa. Suppose that I have to transport 100 kg bhusa. Is it 10-wheeler are allowed in a city? No. Definitely you have to park in outside of the city side. That's the reason. Means cities facilities available, but not the area. If you have to making a house, if you are building your own house, so you must need such a type of bricks and cement, and there's no means big wheelers are allowed in city side, so you have to park them in the outside of the city side. That's the reason village transportation is good. And also
Okay, so as the opponent team said, so do you want to say something about this topic? No, they don't want that.
Time is so much.
Because it took too much time.
As my friend said that medical condition of emergency cases, and he said that I have lots of tractor and manual tom. Suppose that I am very ill, and how do you provide me tractor?
Oh my God, a person that getting sick.
At or your engine,
Yes,
I sit on
they got
engine.
accident, yes, they got accident. You will carry by tractor?
Tractor, yes sir. I am said that.
Oh my God.
Where is sit here? I am.
मरने से पहले ही मर जाएगा वो.
इंजन पे बैठ के जाएंगे.
हाँ, next. Any other one? Yes, sir. Please.
One more point added. And my friend said that lots of many heavy vehicles not come. Do you have not any idea? In heavy vehicles enter in city side 9 p.m. is already government allowed. Many policemen allowed.
Brother,
9 to
this is called
7.
rules. This is called rules. This is not a problem of cities.
Do you have not any idea? You go to anywhere like खेत में
Yes.
मतलब वही सब. Please say that.
Okay. So banning big vehicles in the city side area. This is rule, and this is the traffic rules. Okay. Come on.
Yeah, sir. My brother Pin said many factories are exist in village. Sir, it is wrong information, sir. We all know many factories not exist in city side. It is out of city side. But out of city side is not village. It's a part of city. That's
You want to say that it like a principle. Who said about the principle?
I said, sir.
Lots of factories.
bricks factories, cement factories are exist in village, not village, sir.
That is not established in the village side.
Yeah.
It is established in
out of city. Out of city is also part of city.
Out of city is not part of city.
No, it's not a village. It's also part of city.
Out of city is not a village.
Yeah.
My lord, my lord. Please. Out of city is not village. Okay.
Out of city, I mean means out of urban areas, not out of city, out of urban areas. And out of urban areas is not a village, sir. It's always it's also part of city, and it's why the many factories are exist in out of urban areas, because urban areas lives in urban areas lives people, and besides of living peoples, if I may make if I make many factories, so human lives disturbs, sir. So
So that's why you want to disturb the life of that village. The life of village people.
no, sir, not village people. It's out of urban areas.
Out of urban area.
Urban areas, not in village.
Anybody want to add something more? Hold on, dear. Hold on. Just control your emotions.
My friend said village have factories. So I am said I want to say city gives opportunity village people for
taking job, yes. Who is making factory that one? We are. Belong
We
to the
are.
city side peoples. We have money. We are making certain factories. For you guys say, because you are very Ganesh
And-
you just want to do job.
and he said factories are available in village side. So why you say village are not polluted?
You are saying yeah, pollution is not in my village. We are using tum ghora and pata nahi kya kya. Okay, and again you are saying no, many factories in existing in village. You know about the how much pollution a factory is polluting? It means you are guys polluting the city actually. Thank you. Clap करेंगे एक बार अपने लिए. Not you. Any other one? अच्छा ठीक है, चल लेगा. Any other one? Not you actually.
निखिल
निखिल तो गरीब आदमी है.
निखिल बोलो.
क्यों लगता है आपको शहर अच्छा है बताइए? सॉरी गांव अच्छा है. खड़े होइए. Why your village is good?
Because where is everything is very peaceful and greenery and traditions and
Any other और कोई है जिसको ऐड करना चाहेंगे कुछ? जिसने अभी तैयार नहीं किया है. इनको भी वार्म अप होने में टाइम लगेगा. आप करेंगे?
Yeah. My friends say scarcity of vehicle.
As my friend said, जैसा कि मैंने दोस्तों ने कहा.
As my friends, scarcity of vehicle in village side. I don't think like that.
Scarcity, coming. Who said about the scarcity of vehicle in village side? Okay.
And
So you are saying you are going to accept this? It
No.
means village have more vehicles.
Yes.
Oh. They have more vehicles and they are pollution less. Oh my God! Clapping guys, clapping.
Less pollution. Some vehicle and some pollution. In cities, lots of vehicle and lots of pollution, and many others.
Many others?
हाँ. Next point, no space. Big thing. So no space in city roads. In my village, open roads and
Yes,
open
we have
space
open road.
beside of roads.
Yes, we have.
You have a personal
They are not
car.
even ready.
You have a personal car. Parking nightmare is a main issue.
Definitely. Yes, if you want to live in a city side area, parking is a big problem.
You lots of spend time searching a safe parking spot. I saw a real incident happened that with us. Me and my friends went to PNM Mall Patna to watch a movie. Just 50 kilometers away from my house.
Okay.
we travel and we just reached in 35 to 40 minutes. But most powers parking is full. Then we spend an hours to searching find parking for safe spot.
Big problem, yes, it is problem.
And how can say you? Eh?
Okay, driving and
And my friends also
No,
were,
time,
sir,
time,
no,
time.
sir.
Time up,
Next
time up.
point.
Time up.
I want to add some points with my friend. And I want to add some points with my friends. Just like my friend says that there's a after the 9 p.m. the big vehicles are available in cities.
Allow.
Why government has make two rules? Why not they allow in a type of in a afternoon or in a evening or in a means after the 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. because they know very well there's a congested area in the city side. That's the reason they made the rule. And there's no any type of rule after the 9 p.m., 9 a.m., 6 a.m., 6 p.m. in a village side because they know very well there's a free village space. They can easily handle any situation. That's the reason villages don't need any type of rule, just like cities had. And also my friend says about the opportunity that they have opportunity to travel anywhere. Okay. So tell me, ma'am, I again say that we are living in a 21st century. Every villagers know about which car is good, which car is not good, which car they have to buy, which car they don't have to buy. So if you will be going to village side, so you will be found there's a much car as comparison to city side. They just buy to show off them. Okay, and when the emergency needed, when the situation needed, they use it well. And also my friend talking about the pollution, like we are means the fact is pollution. So I want to tell you that means pollution means that here is already pollution in the city side, and if you will be again establish any type of factory, so you will be get much pollution and it will be harmful for you. Okay, and if you will be see the village side, the environment is totally good. We have such a type of trees, we have green environment,
Yes, we
and
have
just imagine that we have a 100% green environment. Okay, and there's just 10% or 20% are just 10 and 20% pollution generated from the factories. It can be easily restored. It is easily restored. And but if you will be see, yes, and if you will be see in a city side, if there's a 10%, forget the 10%, there's a 2% pollution is high, you will be start getting a such a type of means like दमा का रोग क्या होता है sir? Asthma. You will be getting a sick. So that's the reason village transportation is good as comparison to city side.
Any other who wants to add something? Yes, please.
Sir, someone said that in city side we have many e-rickshaw and rickshaw and totos. But you know, right now because of e-rickshaw, accidents are happening accidents are happening day by day and increasing day by day.
We have transport system, we have bus, we have car, we have train. What about the accident?
What about the accident? But sir, and because of e-rickshaw, accidents are happening day by day.
Yes.
And you know, in city side many people are drive the e-rickshaw without license, and they did the accident, and or it is good or not? Under 18 guys.
Yes, under 18.
Sir, it is good or not?
Yes. Is it good? Whatever vehicles we have. 28 years.
And sir, someone say that in village side many factories, but we are maintaining our environment. We are planting the trees, so that's why our environment is good.
We are planting the tree every day.
And that's why our environment is good. But in city side, you are making your city, you are cutting the trees, and even you have any big tree, so you can cut the tree for making furniture.
Yes.
So it is good or not, sir?
All good. Okay. We just agree or not, guys? Ankit slap you badly. Okay. Yes, village. Okay, so I think you should slap back as well. So anybody wants to counter the point of Ankit and Prince? Anybody? Nobody want to counter? 3.
He will not speak today, sir. He is not well.
I do.
can explain easily.
So they want to talk about like you understand the point of cricket? Durin? No. After some time we will. Okay. Okay. Please continue. Do you want to continue? If nobody want to counter, so it will be minus point for you. Point is transportation. Okay.
Sir, can you explain what he say? I'm not totally understand what he's saying.
What? Why did you not get the point? It is. He is speaking like Urdu, Farsi, or something like that, or French. He's speaking English language, no? Okay.
As my friend said that lots of e-rickshaws are available, but who can drive? Many people come from village sides to drive their e-rickshaws underage, because in village side they have lots of property. He will come in cities and he will drive e-rickshaws, and villagers are day by day accident very heavy. Cities children not drive e-rickshaw.
That accident is happening because of villagers.
Villager, yes sir.
They are come to the city.
Cities students have not have time to drive e-rickshaw.
Very good. Shame on you guys come to the city side areas and you are making.
Yes sir, I look every time.
अब तो ये लोग एक्शन में कर रहा है बोल भी नहीं एक्शन होता है और जगह वाला.
They have no any license and he will drive any time.
बहुत अच्छा. Any other one? Yes.
Sir, Ankit say, sorry, एक minute. What you say? Sorry, I forget.
We also forget.
So, sorry, it's my mistake.
from the sir. I can't.
Sir, what is it?
You have a pen and you have notes.
Yeah, sir,
Okay.
but,
if somebody is saying something, I should got something in the immediate करना है. Note down it.
Yeah, sir. Sir, I remember, sir. Ankit says in city size many trees cuts, Anna.
Yeah, they are cutting the trees.
Yeah, but it's not proper truth, sir. We also many trees growing, sir. Yeah, because I understand, sir, the importance of trees. We are all educated, sir. We all I think, Hana. And sir, he also say environment. Sir, only for clean environment is enough for life. Only for, yeah, I accept in city, village side environment is so clean and water वगैरह, okay. But sir, only clean environment is enough for life.
Environment is good for you.
Enough for life.
It's enough for your life. What is it? It's not true. You have to do something.
Yes, sir.
And if you want to do something, you have to depend upon the city.
Because
Yes,
sir.
lot of rickshaw pullers and rickshaw drivers, they are coming to the city for earning money.
Yes,
for
sir.
earning money for their family. And they are making accident.
Yes.
And,
If you are hungry, sir, if they are hungry, sir, if they are hungry, they can't eat fresh air.
Why are you coming to the city?
They also need money, sir.
Can I counter, sir?
No, not you.
So just one time.
Not you. I will give you a chance. Just go with new person, new members. Okay.
I don't understand what he wants to say.
Do you want to say something?
I want to say something, but I don't understand what he wants to say.
You didn't get it
No.
because your mind is not here.
No.
You are flying in a ख्वाबों के शहर में. पंछी बड़ी उड़ता फिर like that. Anyone? New members from this side? It's not teamwork. It's not teamwork actually. New member from this side? Anyone? सलमान जैसा कुछ नाम होता करा कहाँ पे? नहीं.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning, dear.
I am Nikhil, the favorite of in village. So my friend said that ki in village there are teenagers are come to in city and drive e-rickshaws and
Under 18.
sorry underage peoples the village side peoples are drive his own e-rickshaws in their own village, and some villagers are drive his own car to his एज क्या बोलते हैं, अरे एज का कुछ बोलते हैं ना एज नो सर, अकॉर्डिंग टू हिज एज
कर देना 7 करोड़ का नुकसान।
and my friend said that ki in village there are also have many accident in village, but in village there are very few accident are happening in village, but in city side area there are many accident happening day by day, and many drivers are drive their car to drink and drive.
After drinking, they are driving the car. Yes, the problem of city side. Yes, it's not problem of village side area. Anything else? Anything else here? Anything else?
No sir.
Please. Okay, please. Okay, I will give you chance. 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 Hold on. What the problem is? What? Transportation में pollution आता नहीं आता. Transportation में pollution आता नहीं आता.
Of course.
धुआं निकलता नहीं निकलता निकलता है ना, वो उससे इन्वायरमेंट करना होता क्या नहीं आता, कैसे नहीं डिलीट कर रहा उसी से ऐसे ऐसे come on, wait.
Okay. What your name? I don't know what your name.
If any guy is using the
He
language,
said that in like in city people who come from village and they drive for earning money, and they drive their e-rickshaw without license. So in city you have rules, so you can why that rules not followed?
Yes.
Means in city you have rules, so you can
you have rules, you have traffic rules,
Yeah.
you have traffic police.
Traffic police also, so you can find them all
If
of
somebody
them.
is under 18 people, they're driving the car, they're driving the e-rickshaw. Come on, go and find them.
Yes.
It means it is the lackness of the
City.
of the police.
Police.
Police
Of course,
city.
they don't have good rules, and that is not followed. Means that is not important. Means you can't say that if a teenagers who drive e-rickshaw, so that doesn't matter who is also from village. They are also from city.
Just like my friend says that villagers are came in a city side, and teenagers, they're not teenagers, they're under the age of 18, and they drive the car. So and he says that miss. So I wanna say that again. I wanna say that sir, who's the fucking hell are you that deciding that who is villagers or who is city side? You have any proof that who is from the village side or who is from the city side? Are you judging from the dressing sense?
One thing is that do not use such a word.
Okay, no sir, but this is such an embarrassing line. That's why I also see.
So why you are using this?
Why not? If sorry for the language, if you will be hurt from me, but I want to say that who are you to decide that who is a village side? Or are you judging from the dressing sense? Suppose that if someone have not money and he's live in a city, he's from the village side. No, just because of judging from someone of their languages and their dressing sense, that is not a part of debate, sir. I think that is totally wrong line, and that's badly hurt me. That's the reason I have to use that type of word. And also I want to say you that just like means there's if they are talking about the teenagers, so I want to say that just like my friend says that why not you are applying the rule? They all means all the cities are corrupted. They are just corrupting. Suppose that I have to getting a driving license, I just have to throw the 5,000 rupees on the municipality, they can easily give me. They can easily give me the driving license.
They are corrupted actually.
Yes, and I also want to say that.
System is very corrupt.
Yes. And I also want to say that, and I want to also say that sorry, I forgot. Yes, I want to say that just like drunk and drive. Okay, so in a city side, I also say that there's a very congested area. If you will be drunk, just a sip of cup, you will be easily accident anything. But in a village side, they are also drunk, but there's a different type of drunk, like Mahua Mita. Okay, and they are well know about that how they have to drive. After the drunk, you will be seen in a village side, no one drive the car, they just walk on the road. But if you will be seen in the city side, they are driving after the drunk. So that's the reason. What is the difference between village and city side? Both drunk, but that's all.
So Prince want to say that the people who belong to the city side area, they are drinking, and after drinking they are driving the car. The person, okay, because the liquor of the city side is a very heavy quantity and heavy quality as well. After drinking a one sip of liquor, they are just going to just do some accident like that. But in a village side areas, the people are very cute. They drink a Mahua Mitha and Tari, and after drinking, and after drinking, they are not driving car, they are walking on the road like that. Okay, they are walking like that. They are not driving. No, he is saying they are not driving actually. They are not doing accident. They are not drinking driving. No, after drinking certain liquor, they are just walking on the road. Okay, they are not doing anything, not abusing anyone. Such of things. Please clap एक बार इनके लिए. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा. हाँ, anybody want to counter? Yes, please. Okay, Satish. हाँ.
Sir, he is a guider. Sir, he is the guider of our class.
Okay, yeah. Please have to.
Pleasant morning to all of you. As you know, I am Satish, and today our debate session is going on, and I am in the favor of city side. So first of all, I countered someone point that who said कि in city side there's no traffic, means proper rules and conditions. Police are not doing such type of things. If someone who come under
the police officer of
yes,
side, they are totally corrupted.
Yes.
They are taking 5,000 or something rupees, and they are giving the driving license.
Means firstly he agree with कि villagers came to city side for doing earning money to came here, and with illegal things, like he accepted. That's why he's saying कि police are corrupted, because if we are not, if means he said कि villagers are coming under the age, so means police are not apply money or such type of things. So firstly he accepted, and after that he also accepted कि he is come under the age. So means कि if you are come under the age, means firstly you doing wrong thing, and after you saying कि it's your mistake, means it means you are doing, means it's totally depend on your sense. What is your sense? Means if you are doing thief on someone's house and you saying it's his fault. Yes. Means I say हिंदी वन लाइन कि हम किसी घर में चोरी करेंगे और उसके बाद बोलेंगे भी कि आपने दरवाजा खुला क्यों छोड़ा था. That type of things they are saying. And the next thing is that said, he said ki who are you to decide such type of things, he said. So means we are not deciding on the basis, he is not deciding or saying on the basis of their cloth or something ki he is coming from the village side. It is also totally depend, he is also accepted ki we are coming to village side or earning money for under the age. So
yes,
he is this is the fact.
A lot of people they are coming to cities for earning money.
And next thing is that he said ki we are drinking different type of drunk like Mahua Mitha. It is not a drink, it is a liquor. If it is drunk, if it is it a drink or something? Yes. If it is a drink, so means no one gonna die. And we are seeing in our in Saran district in Masrak, what happened? 48 people dead because of. Did you ever listen who take branded liquor and they are going to such type of things? Yes. And even I think in Russia there's a lackness of water. The most of the people are drinking liquor.
Definitely. Even
So-
our armies.
Yes, even in our army. So what is the bad thing? They are taking limit in a limit way. Not, but in Mahua Mitha, you are not taking a limit way actually.
They are drinking out of limit. They are doing drama on the
You
road.
don't have to take in a limit also.
Yes.
In Mahua Mitha. So that type of things he said.
And after drinking liquor.
And
they are
after
doing
drinking
drama
liquor,
on
yes,
the
yes.
road.
After
Yes.
drinking liquor, they are just going to home. They beat their wife. Yes, this
They
is.
start doing susu in their pants. Yes.
They are falling on this.
Yes. They start doing salam in their patidar. Yes. All right. Good point, guys.
That's all.
I have to come to the point.
No, not you. Any other one who wants to add something more?
Yes, I want to add something.
Why you are not speaking anything? 48 मिनट का हो चुका है, 1 घंटे का और चलेगा मैक्स. अगर आप नहीं बोलेंगे फिर आप नहीं रहेंगे इसमें. I will close, yes. हाँ. Okay, he wants to.
Yes, sir. Sir, Prince say no in village side nobody after drink a drunk drive.
After drinking, there nobody drive. They are just walking
Yeah.
on the road like that.
Yeah, but it's not reality, sir. Many auto drivers drink
Just wake up in
daily.
the morning
Day-
and just go to the theka. And after drinking, they are driving.
and then after go to their job.
Yes, great.
Whole day in a drink.
Yes, breakfast. Drinking liquor as a breakfast.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So breakfast, lunch, and dinner I guess.
Yeah, sir.
3 times they're drinking liquor.
Sir, so who say totally wrong? Yeah.
Okay. Any other one? Any other one? Want to add something? आप में से कोई? क्यों नहीं पढ़ रहे आप लोग? पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे आप लोग बिल्कुल. आप में से कोई? अंजलि आप बोलना चाहेंगे? आप कब तक सुनोगे? सुन के तो सरकार बहरी हो गई. चलिए आप में से कोई काउंटर कराना चाहेंगे इधर से? Any other one? हाँ, I know what your point it is. Anybody who wants to counter? Nobody? Not you. Not you. 3, 2, 3, 2, 2.5. This one want to say something.
He said drinking and drive and accident. So I ask you, where is more cases accident cases?
Yes, you are saying that people who belong to the village side area, they are drinking mahua mitha and doing accident. Where is the accident rate is high? Where is? It is high in the village side? No, it's a high in city side. और आगे? एक पॉइंट दे दिया, माइनस मत कराओ. ज़्यादा बोलेंगे ना अभी.
Yeah, trying. As I'm saying, my friends, poison liquor. In incident time. क्या होता है? प्राचीन. In ancient time.
Oh my God! This is not a news of Asian time. It's the real news of before 4 or 6 months.
They people are drink na mahua mitha and sir one minute just.
Before.
It's a poison liquor. It now that happen like.
Before freedom की बात मत कीजिए. हाँ.
So it's happened like before if
6 months.
Year. And in other village side, no happen like this because his government and government ban liquor. That's why he's and he's also.
Liquor. It is true.
I'm not talking about this village or that city.
No. As is the mention in a Masrak. You mention happen in Masrak. That's why I'm
Okay, please.
rising in point.
So?
I'm not trying. Only.
Just like my friend says about the poison liquor. So I want to tell you that, sir. Suppose that I'm drinking anything. Suppose that I'm drinking water, okay, and I used to I want to die. or suppose that someone mix the poison in that water, so it will be, you will be say that the villagers are villagers are used to drunk the poison liquor. It's also, if you will be see in a village,
Also chemical made in city.
so just my friends talk about the 6 month ago accident. So I want to tell you that I forget in a previous some years ago there's a one in a Pune accident. Someone Porsche car who accident the two people, and still he got the bail. He is drunk and totally, and he is driving the car, and he just accident the two couples. He's one is boy and one is girl, but still he got the bail. Why? It is not illegal. It is and also I want to say that if we are living in Bihar, okay, before the talking about the Russia or India, we have to talk about the Bihar.
Yes,
So tell me one thing.
Talk about Bihar as well.
Yes.
Talk about
And
at least Chhapra as well.
tell me one thing that
You are talking
if
about Russia. Why comparing about Bihar to Russia? Oh my God.
okay,
The Zameen and
you know guys, you know very well that we are बोल रहे हैं, and we are living in 21st century, and there's our government has clearly says that liquor is totally banned, so totally closed. So if totally is closed, then why it's available? And not only liquor, if the wine, liquor both are banned, so why in a city side also the wine are available? It means that there is and wines are totally too much costly. It means that city side people are paying too much, and they are hiding their tax. Why? Tell me one thing. Why? That's all, sir.
That's all. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा. Okay, guys. Any other person who wants to say something? Any other one? Aditya wants to counter. Okay. Just try to listen, guys. If somebody is speaking something, just try to listen. If you listen, you will just be a part of this. नहीं सुनेंगे फिर तो किस काम में नहीं आएगा. Next.
Hello everyone, I am Aditya. I am a favor of city side. Okay. Just a friend said that in city side maximum accident is happened. Can you know maximum truck drivers drive the truck and after he do accident. We also drink more liquor. You know, in a city in a villagers come city side, okay, and drive the truck and he do accident. In night time, maximum.
The people who belong to the village area, they are coming to the city.
Yeah.
And they're coming to the city and then they drink liquor. And they drink liquor.
Wait.
And they drive the car and truck. And they got accident. Right? It is also fact. Oh, right.
It is also fact, sir. And okay, you said that liquor is what? क्या बोल रहे हैं? हाँ, liquor is banned. So why you make liquor in village side? Why you make? Liquor is made. Liquor is banned. So why you make? Where is maximum sale?
Is it legal? Sorry.
Is it legal?
Yes.
Legal?
They are doing illegal work.
Yes.
They also do illegal work.
What is government doing?
How can you say that is government doing? Okay, wait. In a city side, we make, okay, in a city side we drink wine, okay. So because we all over citizens pay tax, also pay taxes.
We are taxpayer, yes.
Yeah, we all of tax pays. I also take in a limit way. I don't tell about the maximum more person, but some person, okay. But maximum person take in limit, take wine in limit way.
Yeah, they know the limit.
Yeah, and this wine is also not for harmful for your health.
For the health.
Okay, that's all.
May I, sir?
Any other one wants to add something?
May I?
Anjali wants to add something. Please. Mic, please.
As my friends say, in village side many trucks, tractor and many more. So village side people drink liquor. So you drive truck, so regular got accident.
Definitely.
Regular got accident. You take liquor, you drive the tractor, and truck, so you got accident. You got accident, and and the village side people take a cigarette and many more things.
Smokes, yes, they are
Yes,
doing-
and
they are
and village side people
and village side people village side people drink liquor and fight the fight fight the family, fight the
family, yes.
fight.
After drinking liquor, the people
Yes.
fight with their family, they fight their wife, they fight their
And drama
brothers.
on the road.
Yes, and do drama on the road, yes.
That's all.
Clapping करेंगे इनके लिए. Okay, Anjali is saying that the people who belong to the village area, they are drinking liquor, and after drinking liquor, they are fighting with their family, they are fighting with their wife, they are doing drama on the road. Is it? Is it ना? है कि नहीं? करते हैं नदी नड़ंगी ये लोग रोड पे, ठीक है? They are falling in the gutter. They are doing yeah. They are abusing to patidar. क्या patidar? Like that. So.
Yes, sir. Now the 3%. You also spend more time. You also Yes, sir. अभी से डिबेट कर लेंगे सर. हो गया. आती से होगा.
Okay, so the first of all, he said that what's your name, dear? Sandeep sir said that ki means our government totally ban in our Bihar, so they are just drinking and after they are dead. So that is the shows the mentality of villages people. Even that is the shows the mentality of the villages people. It means our government totally ban this. Even then they are drinking and after getting die, he said totally responsible to our government ki they are not doing such type of things. They are this type of things. They are making excuses. Yeah, after taking liquor. Not good. And the next thing he said that. Next thing he said that means we paid more money to liquor or wine something. Means city people say. It means you will pay little money for mahua mita, so it means you are taking liquor, because mahua mita is not a drink, it is a liquor. Means it means you are paying little money, so you are committing suicide. It is like committing suicide. Means you know, because you know this is liquor, this is poison, and even then you are taking because it is less money.
Because it is coming by, it is given by less money.
Yeah, that's it.
It's a minimum price. Okay, another one. Not you. 1, 2, and 3. 3% have been completed. Okay, this side from newcomer. Yes, you are.
Okay. So Aditya. No, I want to count. I want to ask to Aditya. Aditya said that village comes in city and then they drive. Villagers come in city and then they drive their cars and means their vehicles. Okay, so do you know about Porsche accident? Do you know about that accident? That's why you don't have idea. That in that case, there is a teenager. Means he is also means he killed 2%. He killed 2% because he drinks and then he drive and he got bailed because he is under 18. That's why he got bailed. So my question is that, see, how can you say that villagers come in your city and then they do drive and got accident? This is
very wrong.
Yes. And second, you said that what wines, liquors in city, that is not harmful. So tell me one thing, if that is not harmful, so means why mostly people face disease like liver problem because of that wines. So how can you say that that is not harmful? So it is totally wrong, I think. Means Aditya said that liquor is not harmful. Okay. So how can you say that liquor is not harmful? If liquor is not harmful, so why too many people got?
He said branded liquor. He didn't say about the Sulesan, he didn't say about the Mahua Mitha like that. He said about the branded liquor.
Yeah.
It is good for her. It is given. It is also given by government to the. To our
So
army.
that is not harmful.
No, they are not harmful. If you take in a limit, they also okay. If you use in a limit, then.
So how can you say that ki if any person, if like there is no any clue that and means any person get in take in limit.
Okay. What
That-
is the rule is here?
Yeah.
There is no any type of data which could
In a pub,
Yeah,
in a
you
bar,
don't
the
have
people
any
they are-
data.
They are drinking khamba to khamba.
Because they are depressed. Because they are depressed. That's why they take in. They are not taking limit. They cross their limits to drink for that drinking. And
Good point. Time up.
one second.
Time up. Absent. Please. Absent.
Yeah, just like my friends say about the truck accident. So I want to say that in a starting period we are talking about that there is no truck available in city side. Okay. Yes, I'm exactly telling about the Bihar.
Guys, if you have any problem, just put down your
Yes,
number.
if you are talking about the Bihar, okay. So in Bihar everywhere we do know our India is a Krishi Pradhan desh. There's a much people are dependent on
Soul
the
of India lives in the village.
Yes, lives in the village, and in a Bihar there's a means more village as comparison to city. So definitely we have to we mostly talk about the city side, those who are totally developed, just like Patna, Chhapra, and there's a lots of cities. So in a city the big vehicles are not allowed. For your information, I want to inform you. And also I want to say you that you were talking about the taxpayer. Okay, means the cities people much pay the taxes. So do you know about the black money, which is mostly affected the city side, which is mostly happen in the city side. Okay, and also
Oh
you.
my God, black money, guys. You black people.
And also you will talk about the wine. Okay, wine is healthy for us. If you take, he says healthy, sir. Okay, healthy. Okay.
Healthy as well. But if
It's not harmful. So I want to tell you that the process of making liquor is the type of glucose, hydrogen nitrogen, okay, and also the type of sodium. These all things are the harmful for our body. Do you know, according to the WHO report, we are taking every day 0.5 gram poison, but still we are alive. Why? That's the exact thing. Listen, miss, everything is harmful for us. Okay, miss, just like you said, the wine. Wine is the process of making like a sodium. Okay. This is harmful for us. This is no anything that you can't say that anything is not harmful for us. The reason is that if I am drinking anything or just a little bit, suppose that you are drinking a wine or just a little bit, okay, so and someone mix the poison, you will be definitely gonna die. Exactly things happen in a village side. If someone is means in our local language we say Jani Appan say. Okay, Jani Appan say if someone is not paying, so that's the reason they mix the poison. So that is not part you can say that the many people are die because of the poison liquor. Okay.
Okay, so you know what Prince want to say that? Prince wants to say that we are not making poison liquor. We are not taking poison liquor. Someone in a village areas they are doing like जरापन की वजह से उन लोगों ने क्या कर दिया पॉइजन में लिकर वगैरह सॉरी लिकर में पॉइजन वगैरह मिला करके और लोग पिलाते हैं तो इट इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस ओके लाइक इफ समवन इफ लाइक यू आर ड्रिंकिंग ईख का जूस okay and someone make poison in there so it is not a problem of that person I will give you a chance dude. I will give you a chance then wait okay so any other person who want to add something more one person any other person Jishan want to Jishan not Jishan you
Hello everyone. I am Salman. I am favor to village side. She said that villagers.
Do you want to counter someone point or do you want to give your opinion?
No sir, I want to counter.
Point of Anjali.
Point of Anjali. She said that villagers take a liquor and she said that villagers take on the liquor and smoking. But city side, but city side, okay sir. But city side boys, every boys take on the cigarette and drugs, choras of film ganja. After that, after that, after that I go to house and drama on the house and they are do snatching and went to home and our family is abusing and our brothers big fight in our house.
After taking such type of harmful product like drugs, and then
Yes, sir.
they got their sins.
Yes,
Sorry, they lost their sins and they are doing crime.
yes sir, they are doing crime and went to home and our family is abusing and big fight definitely. Yes sir, that's all.
Okay, if someone is giving a sample, right. Oh, that's about 3 people have already spoken. Give me mic. Okay, so did you guys got the point? Okay, Salman said that it's not happening in only village side area. It's also happening, जबकि ज़्यादातर होता है in a most in a city side, because village side people are drinking only liquor. They are taking khaini, they are taking big biri and cigarette, but sometimes gaja, but it's not gaja, it's Baba ki booty, huh? Okay, so they are taking like that, but in city side people, they are drinking liquor, alcohol, wine, drugs, smikes, sulesan as well. Oh, I will give you a chance. Okay, thank you. Okay, so are you guys accepting or not? Are you drinking, taking drugs every day in the morning time? ये तो गांजा पीता हमको पता है. Favorite? Which brand? Kasturi Methi brand. Okay. So anybody want to counter someone point or say something? No. Three people completed. Not you. Any other one? No. Next one. New. I want to see new face. 1, 2, 2.5, 2.75, 2.75. बैठ जाओ. शर्म नहीं आ रहा तुम लोग जो बैठे हुए हो? और रुको तन हटो तो नहीं तो शर्म तो आ ही रहा होगा. नहीं आया? गधा कहीं का पूरा नोट्स दे दिए किस तरीके से बोलना है, कैसे बोलना है, उसके बाद भी तुम्हारे अंदर का दाना नहीं जग रहा. चलो हाँ, आप बोलना चाहेंगे? बोले.
Sir, ma'am say in Pune port say car accident, why driver take bail? Okay, sir, we will not talk about any one accident. Okay, we are not talking about any one accident. We are talking about many accidents, and many accidents also have in village side. Okay, first. No, that's not right, bro. Okay.
Come on, continue. Not listen.
Okay, and they all say Aditya say wine is healthy. Aditya not say wine is healthy. Aditya say wine is not harmful as like liquor.
Yes.
And it's
not harmful for the body if you take in a limit.
We accept beer and wine is harmful, but not as like liquor and mahua mitha.
Definitely.
Okay. And third point, they all say drugs and cocaine vagara. And so, okay, we all accepted. This is our problem. Okay, but fight their beat their family and child wife is more in village side. Yeah, no, not in city side.
You are accepting that people who belong to the city side area, they are taking drugs, right?
Yes, sir. Few people, sir. Few people. But not like as villagers. Yeah, yes, sir. and they also fight their small child, wives, and brutally, sir. They beat brutally. They, yeah, sir. And this is not problem in city side.
Now I am to change our topic, visiting place. Points. Change our point.
Visiting place on entertainment place is good in city. What do you think?
Cities provides lots of visiting place and many more funny place, and comparison that village sides no any entertainment place like only for khet, like only khet, like only pond. And I have lots of park, garden, many temple. I have lots of facilities, and villagers say that anytime I have a peaceful life. What is peaceful life? Suppose that you have no money. You have no money. What is peaceful life? I have no money and I go to tree and sit here, and I am very peaceful life. Lots of opportunity. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I may go.
Okay, any other want to add something? Please.
Just my friends. Okay. As my friend said that we have lots of क्या बोलते हैं visiting place and entertainment place. It's right. We already has good temples as well as good museums. Maximum students go to museum and known about our ancient times, period persons, and know about the fossils, know about the animals who's live in ancient time. He's live in on our earth, but in a village side,
Only guy and mice and
cow, buffalo, and goats. What? And villagers see that I am sitting beside the under the tree. I'm sit under the tree and do enjoyment. It's not an enjoyment. If you come on the city and see, yeah, this type of thing. If you do in the city, the citizen person say that you are a mad, not a poor.
Oh my
that
God,
side.
the people who are staying under the tree, they are mad? Oh my God, what is this? You are saying the people who
Inside-
who is staying under the trees, they are mad. They are wild, they are bhikhari like that. Oh my God, how can you
That's
say
a,
that? Okay,
if he's
point me noted, point
okay,
me
sir.
noted, point
Let me complete. If this type of do in a city, that's I say. You go in a park, that's you sit, but in a city on the road, the maximum person said that he is a beggar, he is if he is he's a mad thief. That's many more things. But in a village, in a city side, lots of facilities available. Satish.
आप में से कोई भी चाहे तो काउंटर करना चाहे काउंटर कर सकते हैं या फिर अपना पॉइंट बोलना चाहे पॉइंट बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है?
As my friend said that in city side many visiting places and entertainment places, so this is right. In city side many visiting places like temple, museum and many more, and many entertainment places like park, garden, malls, stadium.
Swimming pool, cinema hall,
Yes.
we have power.
But in village side no any cinema. But in village side no any cinema halls, no museum, only khet. And
They are watching movie in a phone.
Yes.
A chota phone like that.
And
They're watching Barbie in a phone.
and the villager peoples take a cow and buffalo and go to khet and travel, and villager people thinks I am very peaceful. I am very peaceful. Yes,
Peaceful
it's
life.
peaceful life. But in city side people make life fun and easy. That's all.
It means in city sides, entertainment, but they have They have compulsion, they have no person, they have no place to entertain themselves. Is it true, guys? क्या लगता है सच में आपको मजबूरी है ये सब चीजें? आप लोग वेरी गरीब न, कौन बोलना चाहेगा? Who wants to speak? Who wants to speak? चरण दास, शालिदास, क्या नाम है तुम्हारा? तुलसीदास। चलो हाँ जरूर।
First of all, I add my point. After that, I debate. In village side, many more visiting places like that. In village side, many big ground. There farmers grow crops and there big. There is many big. And my friends say that in village side no any visiting places, but I will say that anyone know that Bhangad Killa? Anyone know that? It is the world largest.
Bhangad Killa.
Yes.
Yeah, I know it.
It is the very world largest haunted palace in the world. It is located on village side.
Village, yes.
Yes.
You know about Rohtas? It is in village.
Village side.
You know about the Vaisali? It is in village.
Yes, sir. You know about graveyard in Rajasthan. It is a total अंग्रेजों का जमाना it is a time of British time. It is a big graveyard in village side in Rajasthan. And you know about Prem Mandir and Khatu Syam Mandir. It is located on village side.
Guys, Khatu Syam temple is located in village side. Point to be noted, my lord. Point to be noted, my lord.
It is located on town side, not a city side. That's all.
Okay, so as Tulsidas said that, okay, you were saying the entertainment place, about park, about museum, about about कहाँ बैठे हुए हैं? That the behavior the people who belong to the city side, that's where we are very okay. So okay. So he just want to say that you know about the Bhangar Killa, you know about the Sasaram, you know about the Rohtas, you know about the Rajgir. That all is established in a, not established, that's it, they are found in a village. Okay, the people who belong to the city side area, they always try to, like, you know about the Ladakh trip, you know the Ladakh, the old Ladakh, it is in the village side areas. There is no in town, there is the very few town is there, there are very few town. Okay, but maximum things is in a village. The people who is living in a city side area, they are dying to see the beauty of village. Why? Because we are a beautiful places, right? That is the reason they are going to see that. Okay, so anybody want to add something more? You are.
First of all, I want to say our opposition party speak village. Village is wrong, and village people have many peaceful moment and many made people like that. But I want to say you are very wrong. I think village visit area like that, agriculture, river, and peaceful people, and true loyalty and kind people. And I think village people are very simple life and
they are living the simple life.
Yes. I think peaceful life is better than luxury life, because peaceful life is given.
Yes, peaceful life is better than luxury life.
Yes,
Definitely. Clapping on the
because peaceful life give me a spend my time with family.
Okay. Yes.
And you can see city life. They have no time to spend their family.
Yes, they have no time to spend their family.
Yes.
We have a time. We spend family with our time, with our daughter, with our sister, with our family. But they are always busy in their work.
Yes.
They are hectic actually.
I want to say village people are very hard worker compared to city life people, because village people physically work very hard
Yeah, they
compared.
are physically fit. Yes.
Yes, sir.
They are busy in PUBG.
Yeah.
They are busy in Free Fire. They are doing Insta. Okay.
I think now time in village very digitally compared to city life, because now time have good college and good coaching center, and now time you can see online many village students are doing online classes.
Yes,
which
बहुत बढ़िया. Clapping करेंगे, बहुत अच्छा.
I think
Time up. You got many points. You spoke very well. Very good point you got. Okay, please. 7 crore का है. हाँ, please. 1, 2, and 3. Okay.
No, I said sir, visiting place.
Just note down. If you have some problem, okay. If we have some problem, just note down. I will give you a chance to speak then.
Okay. Firstly, Puneet said that we have entertainment place. Okay. So and we have like zoo, parks, and museums. Also, Aditya said we have zoo for. Yeah. He said, please let me complete. He said that like we have zoos, and in zoo there are too many animals in that zoo that is not available in village. So I wanna ask to you, you know about that in that zoo, what is the condition of that animals? Yeah.
They all are in prison.
Yeah. Please.
You are taking care of that animal.
And you know their health is not good. They die without food. Means and that.
Nobody is going to take care of them.
Yeah, means they don't take care of properly that animals, because they want to earn money from that animals. That's why. And he said that you know how you make a zoo, museum, and also parks. You cutting the tree and you are destroying the environment. This is not called development. This is called you are destroy our environment. And you said that this is this. You are destroying
the natural
for your entertainment.
Artificial environment.
You are for your entertainment. And you said that we villagers only like they have entertainment place, like they sit with under the tree and they enjoy small thing. You know, we are yeah.
People that sitting in the tree.
And anyone see then. Oh please. So you said that if anyone see villagers in that time, so they said like they called mad. So that is they are not mad. They are.
If villagers are doing that, they are mad. If cities are doing, it's called meditation. Oh my God, what is this? This is our culture.
Sir, you forget my point. So I wanna.
They will encounter me, please. Okay.
Don't interrupt. No. So you are destroying destroying our nature, environment. So that is not good. When you cut the tree now, so this is not entertainment. You are destroying our nature, environment. You know, we live natural things. We have natures. So we don't do anything wrong in nature. But you destroy our nature's environment. You know, because of this too many people facing too many problems.
Where is the visiting place?
Yeah, visiting place. We have fairs. During the fairs, we enjoy our visiting place with our family. And we have ponds. We go like in morning. We walk in ground without why
After taking too much time, we're not saying short and clear. The rule of debate is that the first rule I made that short and clear. Okay, you are just speaking like a speech. Like खड़े होकर गड़िया रहे सबको. You bloody idiot like that. You like that. Not like okay. Just do debate, but short and clear. Okay, बिल्कुल समझा. तो how they are explaining actually? They are the live example they have. Okay, you want to counter. They want to counter and counter. You want to counter. You want to counter. You want to counter. Please.
First of all, he said peaceful life. So I want to say like peaceful life. Don't.
No, they said about the luxurious life is better. Peaceful life is better than luxurious life.
But peaceful life not depend on place. Peaceful life depend on mindset. Yes.
Yes, sir. That's right.
Definitely.
Yes, she's right, sir.
what can you repeat
Peaceful life not depend on place. Peaceful life depend on mindset. We can also spend time with family and celebrate festival and go parks, go for watching movie in cinema halls, go anywhere. And he say temple name. I know village have some temple, but few temple, but many temple is available in city side.
Like Ram Mandir.
Yeah.
Ma'am say citizens are for Jew. They destroy environment, cutting many trees and many more. Okay. Is she know about Vantara? What? Is you know about Vantara?
Vantara.
Yeah, Vantara. No disturb any one tree, sir. Because of grow many tree and many thousands of.
What is the meaning of Vantara?
Vantara is a Jew, sir, but openly Jew. Openly Jew exist in Gujarat. Gujarat में कहाँ नहीं मालूम है.
Okay, so why do you know? Why do you give an example of only one Jew? What about the all Jews?
Yeah, sir. This is a starting. This is a starting, sir. This is a starting. And sir, in Vantara, thousands, lakhs of animals lives in Vantara, and any animal, forest animal, in forest, if he injured, he comes in Vantara and he get medicine and yeah, sir. And sir, Vantara is a
Somebody talk about that. Their place is Bhangargarh Kila. It is Bhangargarh Kila. It is Bhangargarh Kila. So I gonna tell you ki where our seventh wonder existed. It is in city side. Just like Taj Mahal, it's our seventh wonder. And the next thing is that about Qutub Minar, Lal Kila, Red Fort, and India Gate. And next is that Hawa Mahal. And next is that it's
only 7, okay?
No, not 7. More than 7. More than 7. You know, you also talk about the Ladakh. Why you are not talking about Darjeeling? No, you are talking about. Why you are not talking about
Darjeeling, you talk about Darjeeling.
Yes.
Darjeeling is city area.
Note down.
Why
If you have some problem, note down. If you have some problem, just note.
Why you are not
Minus full hai.
Sir, you are destroying my time. You are destroying my time, not mine. Okay, so why you are not talking about Darjeeling? Okay, and next is that Manali. Next is that Kashmir. Means most of the things who comes in city side. Why you are giving only example of the Ladakh? And the next thing is that someone is said about in a city. Sorry, you said about that. Ki in a village side area, there's too much grounded. We are playing and so can anyone make their career? Suppose someone whose dream is become a cricketer. Can anyone make their career in cricket with the help of village?
No, it's a lackness of opportunity, yes.
Okay.
What a good point, I think.
And the next thing is that.
There is a lackness of opportunities.
Okay, okay. And next is
Yeah, you have field. You have big field.
Sir,
Can anyone make career?
Yes. And the next thing is that he said about the royalty. Means in village side area there's too much. Can anyone tell me, like, if someone who has dream car, like means he said also peaceful environment. So can anyone tell it a person who is working as a labor in their field as a company that is peaceful? That is peaceful. He said about that. And the next is that he talking about royalty. Most of the royalty peoples belongs from the city side area. He has luxurious car, dream bike, dream house, most of the things. So it comes from the city side area, not from the village. He only talk about the peaceful. Peaceful is not means that you are sitting on the tree and means not in your home. He also talk about that it is depend on the mindset ki how I am thinking and how I am well with me myself. It is not about depend on the villagers or city people. What do you think only villagers live peaceful? We don't live peaceful.
Point is next one. Another one? No, 1, 2, 3%. Sir. Okay, John. Please do that.
He said about I am just counting all of us.
They're counting. Okay. I hope you got all of points. Alright, guys. Anybody want to counter the point of Satish, Ram, and Supriya? 3, 2, 2.5. अच्छा
बेटिंग है बोलूँगा ना मैं पहले करना चाहता था.
Do you want to counter someone point or do you want to give your opinion?
काउंटर करूँगा ना. किसको अंजलि को सुप्रिया को.
Talk in Hindi.
Okay, I would like to counter Anjali, Supriya, Aditya, and then person. What's your name?
All of them.
All of the
So you
persons.
have 30 seconds only. Okay. Wait.
All of the persons say the same thing. Is that na?
Come on, wait.
Okay. All of the persons say that we have lots of visiting place. What do you mean about the visiting? It's just not about the go and then visit all of the thing. You said that you have a park, a stadium, and then many more type of place, museum. You have to pay money for the ticket. You have to pay, and then you talk about parks. Park have a timing, and then somebody are not able to go at the time. So what do you think about them? Then he visit there, not. But in the village, whenever you want to visit, so we can go. You always talk about the agriculture and then field, but we have also a good garden. You know, at the time of the summer, you all are living at your home. You are using the fridge, cooler, and then many more type thing, and then harm our environment because of carbon dioxide. We are the person who provide the oxygen by our tree, and it's totally come by the village. And then right now you are live at your home. We go for the visiting at our garden. So totally it's a different. You harm our environment because of your fridge, cooler, and then AC. You don't like to go out of the village as a visiting because of summer season. You always stay at your home. But we go whenever we want to visit. Just imagine you live in the village and then you go at the place where there is a good swimming pool, like a waterfall in the between of the forest. Everywhere is a forest, big tree, and then they have a waterfall. And then you go for the swimming at that place. Why do you think it's not a very beautiful place? It's not a beautiful place. So which type of place you wanna visit? Cinema hall, park, where?
Reply instant, okay?
Sir, just when.
They are asking questions to the team. If you get a chance to just answer them.
आपने तो सुना ही नहीं. That's all.
Next one who wants to think? Yeah, sir, no one counter my point. Yes, they will counter. Wait.
तुम्हारा तो opportunity में ना था.
Village people wake up in the morning compared to city people. Village people wake up in the morning compared to city life people.
Yes, village people
Wake up early in the morning.
compared to the
City people.
They wake up around 10 o'clock,
Yes.
12 o'clock.
Yes.
Is it timing?
No.
We are waking up early in the morning.
Village
4
people.
o'clock.
Village people have discipline. Village people have discipline Yes, village people have discipline, and village people eat organic food, not chemically, and you can see city life people eat organic chemically food and fast food. So I don't like village people food. Sorry, city people food. Yes. So
We are eating satua.
yeah. Yes, I think pizza burger it is yes sir, it is harmful for health. So I can't support this food. I can't. Village people follow traditional culture like this festivals and tree and cloth, and when city people comes to village, he build a building. Village people follow traditional function like that festivals, Holi, Diwali, and I think this is a good follow.
Following the culture of tradition.
Yes,
of festivals.
yes, like
celebrate Holi, Deepavali,
yes,
Eid, Bakrid, many more things.
Monument this
Full
enjoyment.
And
They are not
they are celebrating Holi like this.
only family. They celebrate with
Saying happy Deepavali, it's Holi.
not this is Holi.
रंग का नहीं लगा रहे तो होली क्या हुआ?
I think city people enjoy Holi with online
Yeah.
compared to village.
Happy Holi, baby. Like
Yes, sir. But you can see village people life. Village people celebrate Holi with whole village peoples, and when city people comes to village and they build buildings and cutting tree and polluted water air. So I don't like this.
No. I want to counter Satish points. Like Satish said, do you know about Darjeeling or Ladakh and too many places? You know about Darjeeling? Yeah. Okay. Do you know about Darjeeling? What is in Darjeeling? Only natural things. If you don't do any, I want to some. If you don't spoil anything, means if you don't misuse the nature, means you don't change in nature anything, so that's why they are beautiful. That's why people wants to visit in Darjeeling, you know. So, and second is you talk about who's Vantara. Who is talk about anyone talk about Vantara? Yeah. Do you know about Vantara? You know why that made? Because of Vantara. Why means that is condition is very good because, and that is also private. That is Amit Ambani that hold, I don't know. So you know about in that Vantara, they captured air. They make businesses with that Vantara. In future, so because in cities that time in cities means more pollution and less air in and AQI level it's very high in city. That's why they make a business. They make business with Vantara forest, you can say like that, and they sell in a future that air they preserve, means they capture, and that in future they will sell the air of Vantara, because you don't have a good condition, because people too many dies. Okay, and second point is Satish said like that people villagers don't have opportunity. You know about opportunity not found in any place or any other thing. Opportunity are created. Any place opportunity are created. You know about too many people who come who are in right now a scientist, and too many and they are come from also village, and so you don't need to say like that opportunity are created by place. Opportunity not found in any place, that is created when you create. So that is not any gender ki, not any place that if you are a city then you can say like that ki in city you have too many opportunity.
Okay. That's good. Okay. Now it's time up. So let me count. No. After doing a long time discussions, now it's time to give a result. I will keep silent, guys, please. Keep silent, please. Keep silent, please. जनगणना करना दो मुझे को 1 2 2 4 5 6 7 8 9 2 11 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 21 22 23 24 25 27 28 29 फिर 28 28 2 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 क्या हुआ अभी
Why are you laughing, guys? No, they are laughing at me.
चलो नहीं गर्ल्स आगे आ जाएंगे बॉयज पीछे रह जाएंगे और छोटे वाले इधर आ जाएंगे लंबे वाले पीछे रह जाएंगे वाले दोनों कैसे बैठा हुआ है थोड़ा सा करिए आप करवाया
लाइट ऑन करिए
1 घंटा 41 मिनट का डिबेट हुआ